Hi everybody, I'm here to talk about the 3 most important things to me that you should know when you travel to anywhere outside of your own home city. I talk about my own experiences and the problems that I faced with these things I'm going to tell you that are important. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about this video. The number one thing I always got to make sure I have now is a charger for my phone or a power bank, like a portable battery that you can take with you. There's been so many times that I'm in a new city and I need GPS to get around, because if I don't have it, I don't know where the hotel is, I don't know how to get food. It's just a big mess. The second most important thing I think everybody should know is to not drink the water. Especially whenever you go outside of your own country. Let's say you're traveling from the United States to Mexico, you definitely don't want to just be drinking from the tap water. You'd rather get your water from a source that has purified or alkaline water. I can't tell you how many times I know people personally that drank the tap water and got sick. It can ruin your vacation. And the number 3 most important thing that I mess up all the time with is overpacking. I have overpacked my luggage so many times. I've gotten 1 personal item, 1 carry-on item, and I also have one check-in luggage. And the check-in luggage always is overweight. You gotta be careful, because some airlines will charge you anywhere between $50 to even $100, depending on how large and heavy your bag is. And these were the 3 best things I think you should know whenever you go traveling outside of a different state or city or country. If you liked my video, please share it with your friends. Leave me a comment below, tell me what you thought about it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Like I always say, peace out till then.